There are heart-stopping moments that you never forget. That moment when a plane hit the World Trade Center. Chabad House in Mumbai was attacked by terrorists. 3 boys were kidnapped in Israel. Rubashkin was set free. The moment you held your firstborn. Or the moment this child is diagnosed with stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma. But there is a caring heart the moment after receiving a cancer diagnosis. Zahran Shlomo Refuah Fund is there to provide financial, emotional, and practical support to the patients and their families.